The right to repair is a movement advocating for consumers' ability to fix and maintain their own products without unnecessary restrictions from manufacturers. At its core, the movement demands that manufacturers provide the tools, parts, software, and information needed to perform repairs, whether it's on a smartphone, a car, or a tractor. Here's a breakdown of what the right to repair is all about and why it matters. The core principles of right to repair: access to repair information. Consumers should have access to manuals, diagnostics, and schematics to understand how their products work and how to fix them. Availability of parts. Manufacturers should make replacement parts available to consumers and independent repair shops at a fair price. Unlocking of software. Many modern devices require proprietary software to diagnose issues or reset after repairs. The right to repair movement argues for open access to these digital tools. Legal protections for repairs. Repairing your own property should not void warranties or result in penalties, and consumers should be protected from legal barriers such as digital rights management restrictions or proprietary repair agreements that make fixing products unnecessarily difficult or illegal. Why the right to repair matters. Consumer empowerment. The movement ensures that consumers have control over their own purchases. Instead of being forced to rely on manufacturers for repairs or to replace products entirely, people can save money by fixing items themselves or choosing third-party repair services. Environmental impact. Encouraging repairability reduces electronic waste, a growing global issue. When products are easier to repair, they stay in use longer, minimizing the environmental burden of manufacturing new items and discarding old ones. Economic fairness. Restricting repair options often forces consumers to pay high fees to manufacturers for repairs or replacements. Supporting independent repair shops creates competition, driving down costs and boosting local economies. Preservation of innovation. By allowing broader access to repair tools and software, the movement fosters a culture of innovation and tinkering. When people can freely repair and modify their devices, it encourages creative solutions and a deeper understanding of technology. Challenges and criticisms. While the right to repair has strong support, it faces pushback from manufacturers who argue that opening access to repair tools and software could compromise safety and security, especially in devices with sensitive data, lead to intellectual property theft or misuse of proprietary technologies, reduce profits, as repair restrictions often contribute to ongoing revenue streams. Conclusion. The right to repair is more than just a consumer advocacy issue. It's a push for fairness, sustainability, and innovation. By supporting this movement, individuals can help build a future where products are designed to last, waste is minimized, and people have the freedom to maintain and repair their own belongings. Whether it's fixing a cracked phone screen or keeping a tractor running, the right to repair ensures that ownership truly means ownership.